Okay, so we want to know how many of the square tiles, that's the 15 by 15, fit inside the rectangle, which is 1.95 metres by 3 metres. So the problem is we've got metres and centimetres, so it's best to change them to one unit. So rather than being in metres on the bottom, 3 metres is equal to 300 centimetres because 1 metre equals 100 centimetres. Similarly, 1.95 becomes 195 centimetres. So now we can do the maths a little bit easier. Firstly, we need to think about, if we've got 195 centimetres, how many of the 15 centimetres fit in there? So that's a division sum. Now, some of you will do some division methods of your own choice. However, we know that division can be wrote also as a fraction, 195 divided by 15. Now, we can see that both in the 5 times table, so using equivalent fractions, I can divide both sides by 5. Now, if that was 200 divided by 5, that would be 40. So I know it's going to be 1 off, so it's going to be 39. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Now, once we're at that point, 39 divided by 3, well, 3's into 30 go 10 times, so 3's into 39 must go 13. So I haven't had to use any division methods that I don't understand. Alternatively, if you think about it logically, there was 195 metres. Well, if we've got 15 centimetres in one square, 150 centimetres, well, that would make up 10 rectangles. And you'd still have 45 centimetres left to make the 195 that you're looking for on there. So 45 divided by 15 is going to be the remaining 3. So you can still see, no matter what way you do it, you will get 13 for how many rectangles you can fit in that width. Now we need to do exactly the same for the bottom. So this was 300 centimetres. That one's a little bit easier. 300 divided by 15. Well, we can think about this logically. How many 15s would be in 30? There would be 2. But the question wasn't 30, it was 300, so it'd be 10 times bigger, so it would be 20. So that tells us that it could fit 20 across the bottom. So if we think about what we now know then, from that same rectangle we said we could fit 13 in the width and we could fit 20 in the length. So that question's not quite complete. We want to know altogether how many you could fit inside. So the last calculation to do is 13 times 20. We know that that's the same as 13 times, well 20 is just 2 times 10. So 13 times 2 is 26, times 10 again is 260. So our end answer should be 260.